We also wanted to go over the use cases, which I already kind of talked about, which are user-friendly wallets and business solutions. So account abstraction enables simplified wallets that don't require users to understand blockchain details, making crypto more accessible for broader audience. For businesses, this can also mean that they can integrate blockchain in ways that streamline workflows. For example, e-commerce platforms using blockchain-based payments without exposing customers to the complexities of crypto transactions or gas fees. The next point would be incentives and sponsorship models, which are a feature which is made by the Paymaster feature, which allows dApps to cover transaction fees. This could be revolutionary for customer engagement in apps and games. For instance, a game might cover transaction fees for players when they earn rewards, making the experience feel seamlessly. Similarly, loyalty programs can reward users for fee-free transactions, adding value without additional cost barriers. Finally, self-managed identities and specialized applications demonstrate how ERC-4473 can be used to securely manage digital identities and assets. In gaming, players can truly own and control in-game items and property without relying on a central authority. For NFTs and digital art, artists can enforce royalties and manage asset transfers independently. This has broad applications beyond gaming, reaching into fields like healthcare, IoT, supply chain, where secure and autonomous asset management is essential. Overall, these use cases showcase how ERC-3473 is not just an upgrade, but a pathway to integrating blockchain more seamlessly into our everyday lives, creating new possibilities across multiple sectors. So with this said, I would like to thank all of you for your attention and participation in today's workshop on account abstraction. Thanks for joining and happy coding.